Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you all unlock methods on the AGM H6. First, let's open settings. Scroll down to the security section. First, let's set a screen lock. You can choose from a pattern, a pin, or a password. I'm going to set a pattern. I'll set an easy one. I don't recommend this one because it is not secure. You can configure your notification settings here. I'm not going to change anything. So after you set your screen lock, you can set your face and fingerprint. Unlock your phone. Let's first set up our fingerprint. Scroll down, press agree. Let's set up our finger. I'm going to set up my thumb. Might take a few minutes. You can add more fingers if you want to. Now let's go back and set up our face. Press here again. Press face unlock. Press agree. And press start to set up your face ID. So now that I've done that, let's test our unlock methods. Turn off your phone. And let's try to unlock it with our fingerprint. As you can see, it unlocked. Let's try our face. And it unlocked as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.